Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic LUNC. Now, Terra Classic needs to increase their daily burning. Of course, right now they are burning mostly between 183.3 million coins on a daily basis. Now, as of the time of recording this, LUNC have actually burned 183,375,857 coins of Terra Classic is being destroyed on a daily basis between this figure. Now, for me, I think 183 million quite is a lot of coins being burned in a single day, but they need to increase this rate at least to 1 billion burn, or between 700 million to 1 billion burn on a daily basis. If they can increase this figure, if they can increase this burning rate on a daily basis, I believe that in a month LUNC will definitely be burning over 30 billion coins of Terra Classic. And with 30 billion coins of Terra Classic, then we are definitely sure that in 12 months, Terra Classic definitely will be burning a lot of coins. Okay, yes, over 300 billion coins will be destroyed. 300 to 400 billion coins will be destroyed. So even though, because based on the current situation, Terra Classic need over 15 to 20 years in order to burn out at least 3 trillion to 4 trillion supply. So if they can burn at least half, let's say 500 billion coins in a single year, then in 2 years Terra Classic will be burning about 1 trillion, and that means Terra Classic need about 10 years in order to burn about 5 trillion coins. But I believe that gradually this number will increase, because we want to see Terra Classic burning about 5 billion to 10 billion coins in a single day. But if they can achieve at least 3 billion or 2 billion coins in a single day, burning about 60 to 100 billion coins in a month, which is going to bring a total of 1.2 trillion burn in a year, then in 5 years Terra Classic will be somewhere, that is in the year 2028. So I believe that in the next 7 years to come, in 2030, we'll definitely be seeing Terra Classic trading between 50 cents, $1 or $2 if they burn out their supply. So though this is going to take a very long period, of course 7 years to come definitely is a very long period of time, but the truth is, when you have patience, you end up making a lot of money. There are so many coins that started 7 years ago at $1. Some of them are trading at $200 today. Some started at 10 cents and they are trading at over $250 today. So all these things have to do with time and patience. So I think Terra Classic need to increase their daily burning all the way from 183 million to at least 1 billion burn. I know it's not going to be easy, because they lack that market cap, they lack that trading volume, they lack that huge community, they lack that huge burning rate. But I believe gradually they can definitely achieve that rate, burning over 700 million coins to 1 billion coins in 24 hours time. Okay, so I believe nothing is impossible, but gradually we'll definitely reach this level. Of course, if the trading volume increases, it will definitely reach that level one day. Remember, this is only financial advice. Please kindly like our video, share, drop a comment, whatever you think about Terra Classic in the nearest future.